step-by-step guide to submit your mediation application. Submitting your mediation application has been made easy with Indian Dispute Resolution Center. Advocates, law firms, clients, and corporate entities who are registered with IDRC can reach www.theidrc.com. Now log in by filling your registered email ID and password. This will take you to your personal dashboard. Now you will find the mediation button on the left column. Please click on the mediation and select File Fresh Case from the below options. This will open a case details form. Now fill the claimant's and respondent's name, email ID, mobile number and addresses. Also, you can add more claimants and respondents by clicking and specific Add More button. Now select your case category on the top right corner and dispute value at the bottom of the page. Now please enter case brief in the text box given below. Please click on the Add Case button, which will take you to a preview of the case details entered by you. Now check each entry carefully, and if needed, it can be corrected by clicking the Edit Before Payment button. Now please press the Make Payment button. You will be directed to a third-party secure payment gateway for paying the registration fees. After successful payment, the IDRC e-mediation software will register your case and assign you a unique case number to it. Your option for uploading the case file will get activated, and now you can upload your digitally signed claim petition and other documents from your device. Type description of the document if there's any and click on the Upload Document button. The documents are uploaded on the IDRC cloud and are all-time accessible through the case dashboard. Now IDRC will process your case and will assign an empanel mediator for settlement. Now you will be guided to pay for the administrative charges through a third-party secure payment gateway. Once the payment is done, the assigned mediator will fix a date of hearing and the proceedings will start. You can check the status of your case anytime from the personal dashboard. Indian Dispute Resolution Center, helping good people resolve.